Welcome everyone. Here is how to delete all data from Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This video is for those who know their password and can access the phone, but if you forgot your password, you can still delete all data, and I'll have a separate video for that in the description. If we can access the phone, the first step is we need to look for and open up the Settings app. Then I want you to scroll all the way down until you see General Management. Then you're going to scroll down again and you're going to select the Reset option. Inside of this one, scroll to the very bottom and you're going to select the Factory Data Reset. Now, a couple things to understand is when you factory reset, this will remove all of your accounts, so Google account, Samsung account, Facebook account, they will all be deleted, number one. Number two, all personal data, such as, when you open apps that has your app data, those will be removed. Any pre-installed apps, those will be removed. Any settings, any Wi-Fi passwords, any data related, those will all be removed. If you have pictures, photos, videos, those will all be removed. The main thing to understand is this will remove all of your data. Your S25 Ultra will look and feel the exact same when you first bought it. And so if you want to sell the phone, if you want to transfer the phone to a friend, family member, you want to give the phone away, when that new person uses your phone, there will be no data, no personal data tied to you. One more thing to note is when I scroll down here, you will notice I just have the reset button. However, many people have eSIMs, and you might be wondering, if you reset the phone, will that also remove the eSIM? While I don't have an eSIM here, if you do have an eSIM, you will also have an extra message below. And so this will show eSIMs. If you have this option unticked, then when you do the factory reset, your eSIMs will stay in your phone. So after factory reset, eSIM will stay. That means that you probably won't be able to sell the phone until you manually delete the eSIM. However, if you tick the eSIMs option, this will do the factory data reset, and this will also completely delete the eSIM. In order to reuse your eSIM, you would have to call up the carrier, go to the store, and you'd have to ask for a new eSIM QR code. You'd have to reactivate the eSIM using a different step. It won't be available for re-download, and so that means you would be able to sell the phone. Everything will be fine. So there you go. That's the removing all data process. Real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.